Welcome back to the Leece-Neville Tech Garage. I'm Jonathan Smith. Today, I'm going to show you a spacer kit that we've released so you can use our IdlePro Extreme alternator with the 80mm pads to replace the Delco Remy 55 SI with 105mm pads. Delco released the 105mm pads because there were some applications that have a shallow cradle. So with the shorter pads, the alternator wouldn't sit flush and mount correctly. So they had to raise the alternator up. So instead of us releasing another model with 105mm pads, we've released a spacer kit. So it's a longer through bolt and a spacer that rises the alternator up out of the cradle, eliminating the interference. So instead of stocking an alternator with 105mm pad and 80mm pad, you can stock one alternator, use a spacer kit to cover the rest of the applications. And with the IdlePro Extreme alternator, you get E-coating for corrosion resistance, you get industry best output at idle, and you get an alternator that's made in the USA. Thanks for tuning in today. Please stay tuned for more battery saving, innovative technology from Leece-Neville.